Every few generations, a technology appears that completely changes how we live, work, and build wealth. The printing press did it. The internet did it. And now it's AI's turn. The difference? This time, the change isn't coming in decades. It's coming in months. In my own company, I've been feeding our AI tools everything. Our data, our content, our performance reports. Over time, it started recognizing patterns. What works, what doesn't, who on our team handles what. It even began suggesting next steps before I asked. That's not magic. That's compounding intelligence. AI today is like a baby learning to walk. You wouldn't call it stupid because it can't run yet. You'd realize it's learning. And one day soon it's going to sprint. Companies already know this. That's why major firms, from Goldman Sachs to Microsoft, are pouring billions into AI. They don't care that it's imperfect. They care about being ready when the real explosion begins. And you should too, because once the compounding curve goes vertical, it'll be too late to start from zero. So, how do you prepare? Start with prompting. Learn how to communicate with AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Prompting isn't just typing a question. It's knowing how to think like a creator and ask like an engineer. Mastering this one skill can 10x your productivity. Next, learn the basics of machine learning. You don't have to become a programmer, but understand how machines actually learn. The internet is full of free, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you want to go deeper, explore deep learning, the foundation behind tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Midjourney. Or learn about natural language processing, how computers understand human language. And finally, data engineering, because every smart AI is only as powerful as the data it's fed. Now, maybe you're thinking, that sounds too technical. I'm not an engineer. That's okay. You don't have to be. You just have to understand enough to use it. Because the biggest risk isn't that AI will replace your job. It's that someone who knows AI will replace you. Even if you're a teacher, a lawyer, or a doctor, every industry is adopting AI. And the people who know how to use it will rise faster, get promoted sooner, and earn more. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. Open ChatGPT and literally tell it, I'm a beginner. Teach me the basics of AI in the simplest possible way. Create a 6-week plan for me. And it will. That's the power sitting right in front of you. If you just start. Now, if you're running a business, AI can be your silent team member, your 24/7 strategist. You can use it to automate customer service, analyze your marketing performance, manage finances, brainstorm new products, or even optimize how your team works. Customer questions, repetitive emails, data entry, all of that can be automated. Marketing? Let AI review which posts perform best, which campaigns convert more sales, and what type of content drives engagement. Finances? Plug your Google Sheets into AI and can analyze your cash flow, forecast profits, or model what-if scenarios in seconds. New ideas? Use AI to build prototypes, research your competitors, or even test your concept's market potential before spending a dollar. And if you lead a team, AI can help you map out everyone's strengths, weaknesses, and workflows, making your organization more efficient than ever. Of course, don't follow AI blindly. Use it as a partner, not a master. It gives you a foundation, but your human creativity and judgment turn that foundation into innovation. 5 years from now, when the world asks how you saw it coming, you'll smile and say, I didn't fight the wave. I learned to surf it.